Well, they've started getting things done down here. Got a little mini dam to help filter some of the leaves and brush out before it comes in here to the overflow. Goes underneath. Got a big pump in here. Cut down some trees over there. But those steel pipes are going to be replaced with all of this. Look at here, we even got our name on there. But there's several of these things. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24 of these units. So they're going to have this thing buried way across. Anyway, here it is. Quail Hollow Trail. Second rebuild in about 8 years.